buildings we are inaugurating reveal the power of design to support and to inspire the quest for knowledge. They also reflect the AKDN's commitment to addressing climate change. Designed to meet international energy efficiency standards and to be powered by significant solar photovoltaic capacity, they will contribute to our efforts to achieve net zero emissions. As we move forward, AKU will continue to benefit tremendously from our partnerships with academia, government, civil society, and others. I'm pleased that AKU is pursuing effective working relationships with public sector institutions in Uganda. It is partnership that turns ripples of change into waves of progress.
When our late brother, the Science Aga Khan, was here, I gave him medals. I would now like to give similar medals to His Highness.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Secretary of the Presidential Awards Committee.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.